All of Orange County, I think, is so beautiful, but there's something about this community. It's not just a history, it's a deep, rich history of being a founding community.
We just love the community. It's a really great place to be and also to live.
This is really the last culturally relevant community in the region. I'm honored to be a partner and to be working in City of San Juan Capistrano.
I love San Juan Capistrano. San Juan is special to me. It's my second home.
We are of the community, we're by the community, and we're for the community. And that wouldn't happen if our city didn't really set the tone to be supportive of the kinds of organizations like SHEA.
A lot of people come to town and they fall in love with the beauty of this town, the slower pace of this town. I drove into town one night with my wife and Ben's small daughter, and we fell in love with the town immediately.
Around here, the businesses help each other. It's a beautiful place to own a business.
San Juan is one of the most charming places around. San Juan has just gotten better over time.
We started Juice Joint here in San Juan, and after 5 years of saving up, we started working on the recipes. After that, we decided to open it up here. The community really took us into their arms, and they support us every day, and it's a reason why we keep striving every day to work hard. It's not only for the Juice Joint and Deli, but also for the community.
10 years ago, this was a beautifully restored, empty, historic farmhouse and a dirt lot. And together with the community, we've built this as an ecological oasis to imagine a healthy future for all of us.
I came here from Mexico in 1970, and I've been here and I see so many new things happen in our beautiful town of San Juan Capistrano. I was 13 years old when I started working at this same restaurant as a dishwasher.
My grandparents, Alan and Claudia Nicola, are actually the original proprietors of the tea house on Los Rios. They opened the tea house in January of 1998. It took 2 years to restore it and turn it into what it is today.
In 2007, we realized the horses were in San Juan Capistrano. So we moved here and have had a great time ever since.
Basanti is a small neighborhood Indian restaurant, and this restaurant is more than a business for me. It's tribute to my father. This Basanti's success today is directly related to San Juan Capistrano community. They are not only our customer, they are invested in Basanti's success today.
We've spent the last 37 years here in San Juan Capistrano. We've grown from one horse, one rider, to more than 1,200 riders a year, 23 horses on site, and it's really a place of great joy and success. Think of the SHEA Center like a therapy clinic on 8 acres. We do physical, occupational, and speech therapy. Our youngest client is 2, and the majority of our clients are children, and our oldest client will be 99 this year. We have a number of military families, active duty, veterans, a really robust PTSD program, and we're here to serve whoever needs us the most.
We took over and bought Sarducci's 4 years ago. I mean, it was a historical, beautiful building beforehand, so we didn't touch much of it. It's great. We love all the business owners in San Juan, things like the Taste of San Juan and the Vintage Food and Wine Festival. Those are the opportunities where we really get to interact.
We have partnerships throughout the region. We're like a net, and there are hundreds of individuals that support this organization. There are dozens and dozens of businesses working with the city. We're rebirthing a partnership with the Boys and Girls Club such that we can reimagine a social enterprise with the children in our community so they become part of the farm.
Here, when you talk to the people around here, they're very helpful, very kind. The city's really great. The community, as far as the police officers, firefighters, I know them very well, and they support us. And a lot of the kids here at school, we do little programs for them, but they have also known us since we were little toddlers, and that's what this community is. It's been, San Juan was small growing, and now it's growing into a big city. And it's a beautiful thing to see, and I'm glad to be a part of it.
One of the great things about San Juan Capistrano is the residents themselves. And the residents are very supportive of law enforcement down here. We have a lot of great volunteer organizations that encompass the residents of San Juan and really make a good partnership possible.
Yeah, the partnership with San Juan Capistrano started way back when they first started the organization, and the city has always been involved with the Boys and Girls Club. We do a lot of things with the senior center. We do a lot of things with the city themselves, with the summer nights, the city's programs that we get involved with. It's just been a great partnership for the Boys and Girls Club of Capistrano Valley.
We're really fortunate in the partnerships that we have within the city and also within the business community here.
So over the years, we've always spent a lot bigger part of our ad budget on community events rather than all the traditional media. We've worked together on the concerts in town, worked with Relay for Life, and we've gone above and beyond to try to get involved with all the schools, all the youth athletic programs. In fact, I've coached a bunch of them myself.
There's so much to be excited for in downtown San Juan Capistrano over the next year. We have the Inn at the Mission under construction, scheduled to be completed next winter. This fall, the city will be starting a capital improvement project to improve Verdugo Street, which will add landscaping, lighting, improve the entire pedestrian experience here in the downtown and the gateway to our community when you get off the train, when you park in the parking lots, when you're going to eat dinner and visit all of the great businesses here in the downtown.
Well, one of the things that we're working on is how we're going to realize the positive impact of the hotel project. We have other hotels in our community that are wonderful too, and we work closely with them on a daily basis. But to have something across the street from the Mission that is sending visitors over and that is marketing the Mission is really a huge opportunity and promise.
We've got some special resources here, we've got very special people, and so together we can build a prosperous, abundant future. It looks like projects like this and other very interesting things that are happening in the city.
We've had new businesses open up in the city last year. We had Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory and Flame Broiler open up in the Capistrano Shopping Center. We had Bueno Bueno, a new Mexican restaurant in our downtown next to the train station. And what everybody's talking about is the new 24-hour fitness, a state-of-the-art facility, 38,000 square feet, right next to the freeway.
We are a community inside the health club. It's not just about a place to work out. We want to make sure that we're the best part of everyone's day when they come in here. And it's really, it's for our members. It helps our business thrive. It helps keep us different than every other health club. And people want to bring, people to experience that.
The city recently approved a new Chick-fil-A restaurant next to Ralph's in the Del Obispo Shopping Center. There's an existing Citibank building that's going to be torn down and replaced with a new drive-through restaurant. Band of the Bone restaurant recently had an expansion of the restaurant approved, and now they've got a banquet facility approved. So that's expected to start occurring this summer. We also have the Ganal project that's proposed on the city's Lower Roseanne property. It's just started the environmental review. We expect that document to be completed sometime this year. It also involves some restaurant uses along Stonehill Drive. There are several projects that are undergoing review. River Street Marketplace project is a project proposed for the current Edo Nursery site. That project will involve 65,000 square feet of new commercial, office, and retail with an agrarian theme. The environmental impact report for that project is currently circulating to the public.
We are really excited about what we can do to continue to serve our military community, how we can continue to provide programs that create success and sustainability and those first words, those first steps for our clients. For better or worse, there will always be people who need us. And because we have good partners in this community, we know we'll be able to be here for them.
I love San Juan Capistrano because I feel at home. It gives my resemblance to my hometown, Amislán, Jalisco. It was very unique. I was growing up with horses, so we have horses here in which, how can you not like the parade? It was the favorite of my mom. And for me, that tradition, it carries. And San Juan Capistrano gives you that history that nobody has around. And that touch of family, community, that is very hard to duplicate. So we have to participate, and I always encourage young people to follow those traditions.
There's a refocus on San Juan from other neighboring places and an overall discovery of how cool this town is.
Well, we see our future as very hopeful and thriving, and people come in from all over the world. It's hard until you come down here to visualize how important San Juan Capistrano is.
This is a very business-friendly city. I got really good help from the city. I got help from the Chamber of Commerce and local community. This is the best place to open a business.
We feel honored to have such a positive relationship and unanimous support from staff and council, and we're very grateful for their leadership and ultimately a true partnership, and that we believe that we want to be the best for the community, and that takes a diverse group of people looking at this creatively, and we're grateful to be stewards of this special resource for San Juan Capistrano, and we look forward to an abundant future.
The business community here in San Juan Capistrano is kind of eclectic as well. We have a nice mix of businesses, and we love everyone who takes risk in our community, whether they start a business here or grow a business here. It's very, very important to us. It's a tremendous honor to be mayor of San Juan Capistrano.
Capistrano VW Mazda is your San Juan Capistrano community partner.
Basanti is your San Juan Capistrano community partner.
The Boys and Girls Clubs of San Juan Capistrano is your community partner.
The Shea Center,
24-hour fitness,
The Mission,
Police Services,
The city staff,
The Tea House on Los Rios
Trevor's at the tracks.
The Ecology Center
American Horse Products.
this is your San Juan Capistrano.
is your San Juan Capistrano.
is your San Juan Capistrano.
community partner.
Community Partner.
Community Partner.
Community Partner.
We are San Juan Capistrano.